Looking for new ways to improve your Blender workflow? In today's video, I'm covering some powerful new add-ons that have recently been released and deserve more attention. Whether it's saving time with geometry node generators, simplifying complex tasks, or improving the quality of your projects, these add-ons bring a lot to the table. And for your convenience, I've attached links to all of the add-on pages in the description below. I'll be starting with Stylized River Generator. This generator allows you to quickly create beautiful anime-style rivers in Blender. If you've watched animations on YouTube, you've probably seen ambitious projects that look like they were made by a large studio. But what if I told you many of those animations were actually produced by a single artist or a very small team? Yet, the visual quality can be incredibly high. One reason for that is the growing number of tools that eliminate time-consuming tasks. Stylized River Generator helps artists quickly create attractive, production-ready landscapes without spending days modeling every detail. Instead of focusing on scenery, creators can dedicate more time to what matters most. So, if you want to finish your river projects quickly, this is definitely something you should take a look at. Dynamic Grabber. When it comes to scattering objects naturally, physics is one of the best solutions. Instead of manually adjusting dozens of objects, which takes a lot of time, you can let a rigid body simulation handle the heavy lifting. Dynamic Grabber allows you to harness the power of physics in just a few clicks. The best part is that Blender's rigid body system is surprisingly fast and can often run in real time with moderate object counts. Next, we have the Humaniq Human Library from the folks at Polygonic. This is the newest asset collection from the creators of Botaniq, Materialiq, and Traffic. The library provides a large selection of ready-to-use human characters designed to populate scenes quickly and efficiently. Whether you're building architectural visualizations, city environments, crowd scenes, or animated projects, the assets integrate directly with the free Ngon asset browser. It also comes with a lot of amazing features to help you design crowds with ease. You get 119 human assets, 16 item assets, and 2 crowd generator presets. And all of the characters are fully rigged. Now let's talk about animation. Cascadeur in 2026 is becoming one of the most exciting tools for animators, game developers, and 3D artists. The reason is simple. It isn't just helping you animate faster, it helps you animate smarter. The biggest update is Unreal Engine Live Link. Now you can stream your animation from Cascadeur directly into Unreal Engine in real time. That means you can see your character moving inside your actual game environment without constantly exporting, importing, checking, fixing, and repeating the same process over and over again. For game developers, this is a huge workflow upgrade. You can test timing, camera angles, staging, and character movement directly inside Unreal. That makes the entire animation process feel much more connected. Cascadeur also now fully uses the filament rendering engine. This makes the viewport look much better. Lighting, materials, shadows, and overall scene readability are all improved. So when you're posing or polishing animation, you're no longer looking at a basic preview. You get much more realistic visual feedback. Then we have the new AI-powered root motion tool. This is one of the most exciting features because it can generate motion based on your character's trajectory. Instead of manually fighting every step, turn, or movement direction, Cascadeur gives you a smarter starting point that you can build upon. And that's what makes Cascadeur so powerful. It doesn't replace the animator, it supports the animator. Another major feature is collision penetration cleaning. If you've ever animated a character and noticed a hand passing through the body, a foot sinking into the floor, or limbs intersecting during motion, you know how painful cleanup can be. This tool helps detect and fix those problems much faster, allowing you to spend more time improving the performance instead of repairing mistakes. Auto-posing and auto-physics also continue to improve, especially for quadrupeds. That means animals, creatures, and other non-human characters are becoming much easier to pose and animate with more natural-looking results. If you want to test it out and see whether it's worth it, you can start a 14-day trial using coupon code BlenderBoy15 for 15% off your plan of choice. I recommend the Pro version because it's the best value. So why is Cascadeur such a big deal? Because it gives artists more control, more speed, and more confidence. You can animate faster, you can clean up motion more easily, You can preview directly inside Unreal Engine, and you can use AI-assisted tools without giving up your creative control. For solo developers, indie creators, game animators, and 3D artists, this is exactly the kind of workflow they need that can save hours of work and make animation feel far less intimidating. Now back to add-ons. The creator of Light Wrangler has also released Ambient Base HDRIs. These are 50 subtle environments designed to replace the empty void in product rendering. They add subconscious realism and ambient irregularities that your shots may be missing. These HDRIs are fantastic for adding an extra bit of depth to your product renders. Next we have Lightweaver. Lightweaver allows you to create cinematic color grading directly inside Blender. No EXRs, no Nuke, no Photoshop. The kind of color grading this add-on delivers is on another level, and the results look amazing. You can make your scenes look like they came straight out of a Hollywood production. Lightweaver is designed for Blender users who want precise control over color and lighting, without ever leaving the software they already know. Blender's interface is incredibly powerful, but with so many tools available, the commands you use most often can easily become buried inside menus and side panels. Piemaster aims to solve that problem with floating panels and fully customizable Pi menus. You can also create custom menus that stay close to your cursor. Frequently used functions become instantly accessible without forcing you to leave the viewport. You can pin panels while working, allow them to collapse automatically, and build custom menus tailored specifically to your workflow. Whether you're switching shading modes or changing render settings, Piemaster keeps everything within easy reach. If you're baking using Blender's default tools, you're sacrificing quality. Blender's default multi-resolution baker relies on interpolated subdivision, which produces artifacts on sharp edges, overlapping geometry, and pinched surfaces. The Displacement Baker add-on changes that by using raycast baking. It directly projects detail from the high-resolution mesh onto the low-resolution mesh, resulting in much more accurate and reliable bakes. Decalify is made by the creator of Gobos Master, one of the best Gobo add-ons available for Blender. Decalify uses Blender 5.1's raycast node to project decals directly onto surfaces while conforming to the shape of the geometry, even if it's displaced. Adding decals is incredibly simple. Just click Add Decal, and a gizmo appears that lets you position it exactly where you want. Currently, it works only in cycles. Next, we have View 2 Cam. This add-on lets you create a camera that perfectly matches your current viewport with a single click. You can then record your viewport navigation directly into a camera animation. Orbit, pan, and zoom exactly the way you normally would, and watch it become a finished cinematic camera move. Fusion by Egret Studios is the ultimate non-destructive mesh fusion system. It automatically rebuilds your geometry using clean, adaptive, all-quad voxel topology, while offering proximity-based merging and live symmetry for ultra-fast asset kit bashing. Easeam 2 is a fast UV seam marking toolkit. It's a Blender add-on for artists who want faster seam marking, unwrap actions, and UV map management without leaving your viewport. Use viewport previews, modal tools, one-click selection tools, and UV utilities to handle common UV preparation tasks with far fewer repetitive steps. There are lots of different ways to mark seams using this add-on. Next up, Voyde Procedural has recently released some amazing new Blender add-ons and assets. Make sure to check them out. Personally, I really like the freezing effect and the ultimate terrain pack. Before I wrap up this video, let's talk about BlendKit. Yes, BlendKit. They've officially renamed BlenderKit to BlendKit to better protect Blender's trademark. To celebrate the name change, they're running a 20% sale, but if you use my link, you'll get additional 10% off, making the total discount to 30% off on Pro Plan. It's one of the most comprehensive asset libraries available. BlendKit integrates directly into Blender, offering over 136,000 assets. Includes high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, brushes, and even full scenes. Created by artists from around the world, you can choose between the free and pro plans, both packed with valuable resources. The BlendKit add-on lets you download assets directly from inside Blender. It also supports customizable tags and advanced filters, making it much easier to find exactly what you need. You can browse curated collections created by experienced artists, or even sell your own assets to the community and earn money yourself. And that's it. Let me know what you think about Cascadeur and all of these new add-ons in the comments below, and tell me which one you're the most excited to try. You can find links to everything in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and check out some of my previous videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.